Hi folks, it's Saturday, November the 12th, 2013. This is my first update on my Rep Rap Prusa Mendel 3D printer in, must be 6 months now. I got all the plastic parts I needed to assemble the framework or the body of the printer earlier this year, but it was never my intention to work on it over the summer. I have things to do outside. I started a new job. I'm into activities which take me out and like to utilize the good weather in the summertime, like everyone does. So I put the printer on the back burner, or shelved it until the winter time, and forgot about it. So 6 months on, I got reminded that I was meant to be building a 3D printer by a colleague at work. So I thought, yeah, right, you're right actually, mate, So I'm going to crack on with it now this winter. So yeah, got this box of parts today, and I'm just going to unwrap them. There's a bit of bubble wrap there. Now this will be the heated board. I'll just set that aside one moment because it's going to be a bit difficult to unwrap with one hand. Well, I never ordered them. What the fuck? What's this? Well. Somebody must have a... I don't know. I've never had that before. But yeah, it made me laugh, so that's good. What's the company? Oznest. That's their logo there. So yeah, somebody at Oznest likes sweeties, okay, or horrible sweeties. Well, that's a surprise, Right, okay. Onwards. We have more bubble wrap. Okay, these must be cables for the motors there. 3, 4, right, that's 5 cables in jiffy bags. I ordered 5 motors, so I'm fairly confident that'll be for the motors. Okay, these are the LM8 bearings, or the LM8 UU bearings. Again, not the easiest thing to unwrap with one hand. So I'll see what I can do for you so you can get a closer look at them. I'm on the risk of splitting my thumb open here with this, or my finger. Okay. These are the linear bearings. They clip into housings which attach to various parts of the equipment, and they run on the smooth rod. I don't know if the camera can see in there. You've got, was it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You've got 4 rows of very, very small ball bearings. So they're just proud of the housing, and it's them that run on the smooth rod or the linear rod. So I got 10 of them. That might be slightly more than I need, but they were £1 each, so I just got 10 while I was at it. And this will be one of the motors. Okay. Well, everything's wrapped up well enough. I need to believe bloody Houdini will get into this fucking bags. Fuck's sake. There we go. And that's one stepper motor. These are the NEMA 17 motors. A bit of polystyrene foam wedged in the pins there, but the pins appear to be undamaged. And there's a fair weight in that, so I'm hoping it's a robust little motor. It's an aluminium housing on it, or base, and it's got a I don't know if you can focus on that. Let me see if I'll get it a little bit better. I'm getting deaved off with this bloody camera, yeah? It might just be myself not knowing how to operate it correctly, but it's truly is a pain in the fucking neck to operate or to focus. So basically what that reads there is 1.8 degree stepper motor, LD0 42S TH47 168-4AC. Then underneath it's 130529 LDO motors CE. So, well, I'm hoping they're a good quality motor. I paid $12 each for these, so I need 5, so that's 60 quid right there. Plus the £10 for the bearings, plus another, I don't know what it was, I think it was about in the region of 15 quid for the heated pad. One moment. We open one bag and we have yet another bag. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm going to have to use both hands for this, so bear with me one minute, folks. Okay, so we have a small temperature sensor here, a thermistor I believe they're called. I might be wrong, but I think that's what they are. And this here is the beer sorry, I'm not in focus there. This is the heat board. I don't know what you call them. This goes on top of your X and Y axes, so this can be moved to the left, to the right, in or out. Okay, and these areas here are for taking your current. You've got a positive, a negative, and I think there's a couple of little resistors and a couple of LEDs there, a red one and a green one I believe. Can't quite see that in this daylight. And there might be something on the underside as well, possibly. No, but basically what happens is that this plate gets hot to the touch. You know, this should be fairly apparent from the text on it, but this allows your plastic filament to adhere to this surface. Now I think what a lot of people do is they put a plate on above this, and this then heats the plate above it, and then the plastic adheres to that plate, so then you don't damage this when you try to remove the plastic from the surface. The reason behind this is that the plastic needs a fairly hot surface to adhere to. If it's cold, when the filament is being laid out, the first point that the filament touches will cool by the time the filament has ended its path. You know, because obviously, you know, however complex the part might be, the filament might have quite a long route around the plane. Now, if this end has cooled and hardened, it's going to start to contract, albeit slightly. And what that will cause is warpage of your printed part. Now, information is readily available on the internet. I've never actually printed a 3D part. I'm just talking from what other people have told me. So, you know, but I thought I'd heed their advice and get a hot plate, because otherwise you're just going to waste filament, and filament is still relatively expensive. So I'd rather invest a few extra pound in the correct components for my printer than go through months of trial and error trying to identify why my prints aren't coming out in a satisfactory manner. So anyway, that's my parts, folks. That's what I've got so far. What you saw there today is £100 worth, including the postage. So yeah, bear with me and I'll try to get more updates to you as soon as I can. Thanks for now. Bye.